First day.
Ay, may flash.
Kahit hindi ako kasama.
May flash siya.
Kahit hindi ako kasama sa grupo yun,
Wala pa
guys.
sinat.
Ayoko makita. Mata lang, mata lang.
Vlog yan.
Oh, vlog.
Hi guys, well, this is our vlog about our CCS Fest and it was really fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video too. Well, let's get back to the video. Here we are just messing around and the party is about to start. So we formed a line. Here we are. Look, Gio. Yeah, this is our pick.
Say, first day. Vlog natin. Uy, gago. Shout out.
Mali ba? Sinat. Manat.
Gusto yan, 10 minutes, ilang minutes na yan?
Wala min, ano? 5 minutes. Sama natin.
Compile ko to.
Sama.
Here we are just chanting our yell, but it's inaudible. But it's really fun.
Dito po kami, nagkukos kami ng traffic.
Here we are at the gym for our film fest and it's really hot but it's really enjoying.
35 PM. Papakita lang ako.
Ito, mapatay na ako.
Pang ano yan, min? That's for content. That's for proposal. That already went home. And Gio and I are the only one left here.
Yeah, because Nathan already left because it's almost 7:30. And, ano?
Ate, hi! Hi po sa vlog!
Lalabas sila sa workout natin,
guys.
Day 2. Here we just played a lot of games, lot of team building, and here this game is called Jeep, and the mechanics of the game is put as many members of your team inside the Jeep and you will win.
Guys, 1A. Hello sa vlog!
What's up?
Gio! Nat!
For context, they played human rolling while they are being splashed by water balloons, while I and my teammate Winsel played in a badminton tournament.
Ay, vlog! Ayoko!
You say about taking a bath in classroom. Ay, in school.
Baka, bitch!
Tuloy, papasa namin to.
English dapat.
Okay.
Bitch, bro, bitch.
Wala pa, pre.
Kalma ka.
Limit lang yung sagot ko.
It feels good. Yun na lang.
It feels,
Okay. Take three.
Bakit niya mag-English?
Take three. What do you say about taking a bath in...
Wait lang.
Joke. Paano to?
Dalawa lang to.
Here we are discussing about our wet clothes and where to put it, but I have only 2 pieces left, so someone has to sacrifice.
English. I dive there and I slept. And it was so fun. And it was so fun. Okay. Noted.
Here our classmates are practicing for the upcoming hip hop competition this night. Here the song has begun and Gio and I participated in it. Gio is in the solo competition while I participated in the duet competition later on. Here is our entry for the duet competition. It's the song A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman.
A million dreams, a million dreams. I wish you all the
Here's the last day of the CCS Fest, the concert, and we had a lot of fun in it. I hope you can see how great it was. Anyways, enjoy the concert. Woo!
Di na po magpapatibok ng puso.
Here, we just enjoyed ourselves through the night, singing all kinds of songs. And it really is enjoying. The concert ended with a fireworks display, and yeah, it's a freaking tiring concert, but a concert that we will remember. That's all for this vlog. Thanks guys.